Hey guys, John here with another video. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and go ahead and smash the like button. Okay, you're out on the trail and you try and start your snowmobile. And the starter cable won't engage. What do? You're by yourself, or you're in a place you don't know what's going on, there's no other services around. What can you do to get your snowmobile going? A lot of you know the answer, but I'm going to show you on a 2005 Arctic Cat Firecat. This is a F7 model. I'm going to slowly open the hood. We're going to take the drive belt case off, expose our primary and our secondary clutch, and we're going to clutch start this thing. To do that, you're going to need a piece of rope. What I do is I tie a little knot on the end of it. You're going to wrap the rope around the primary clutch, okay? So you're going to put your rope down here, get it all the way in the bottom, wrap it around. What I do is I take the knot and just put it on a little piece of metal there to give it a little bit of traction. And then I make my second wrap. Okay. Now what you can do is you can just turn your motor backwards to feed the rest of the clutch in, or to feed the rest of the rope in, or you can actually just keep wrapping. The manual recommends no more than 3, which is just about right there. Now, one of the more important things when you're doing this is do not wrap your hand around the rope like this. Don't make a loop. Don't do anything that's going to make the rope tangle, because if it does catch in here, it'll hurt you bad. So what I do is just kind of interloop it between my fingers like that. Make sure your kill switch is off. Make sure your key is on, and just go ahead and pull straight up. Usually seems to be the best.